Well done, beautiful people. Welcome to yet another video. I hope you guys are doing great. I am feeling a bit under the weather, but it's okay. I hope you guys are feeling great. Guys, we are currently third in the Premier League table, which is just amazing for us. I mean, guys, we've worked so hard from ninth to where we are. Of course, Man City coach Pep was trying to, pull a stunt and say that he was trying to see how Chelsea is going to play in this Premier League so that he will use the tactics against us in the next game, which we'll see about. I don't think it's gonna happen. Guys, I'm really excited about this match. We really have to do well. I'll be doing a match preview between Arsenal versus Chelsea, and I'm really hoping we win. Of course, Arsenal has not been at their best. I think they're currently 9th, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. But other than that, this should be a great game. We have done well with bigger teams currently. By bigger, I mean the teams that are currently leading in the Premier League. So, guys, I think this should be a nice game. This should be a great game. Yeah, and we should just expect great results. Please watch out for my match prediction. I'll be doing my starting 11. I'll be doing my score prediction. I'll be giving a bit of Chelsea news, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Like the video if you enjoy it. Share it with your family and friends, and let's get right into it. So for some Chelsea news, apparently, I am not sure whether it's confirmed or not, the finals of the UEFA Champions League is going to be moved to England, guys. I don't know how I feel about this. I was really excited about it being in Istanbul, but of course, you know, COVID is happening and the cases are just rising. I was really excited about this match being in Istanbul, guys, because I'm really close to Istanbul. I actually thought I'd go watch the match live if they were going to accept fans in the game, but sadly, I don't know what's happening. Corona is just stopping everything, and everything is just on a standstill. Of course, we know the current situation in Istanbul. As I said, there's lots of cases, so I think this is a better decision. Although England, guys, why England? Maybe, I don't know, Cyprus? Which other place should they have moved it to? But I guess we have to go with it. The most important thing is we win. Guys, we have come so far. We beat Real Madrid, we beat Man City. We are going to beat Arsenal. We have to play Leicester in a few days for the FA Cup finals and for the Premier League. Decide who is going to garner the 3 points, and I have a great feeling it's going to be Chelsea. I'm really glad to be part of the club, the part of the team. Guys, come on, you Blues. I am so excited, and I really hope this game will be great. Of course, it has been confirmed that Tammy Abraham is going to be sold for the summer. How do you guys feel about this? Tammy Abraham is really great, but he's not been given a lot of playtime over the few games. So I don't know what to expect about it, but I hope he finds success wherever he goes. Of course, we will be having Willian, who was previously in Chelsea, and now he's going to be playing for Arsenal. So this is going to be another one of those meetings like the one we had with Hazard. Guys, the Hazard situation was just... Real Madrid fans blew it out of proportion, guys. He was a former Chelsea player, and I didn't see the big deal there. Okay, fine. They were friends before, and then they won, so he came to congratulate them, and then the whole thing blew over the place, and he had to apologize. Of course, in the Man City game, I have to mention Aguero's penalty. What? What happened to Aguero, guys? But I'm really glad Mendy taught him a lesson. Guys, this was so poor from Aguero that he even had to send out a tweet saying that, guys, I'm really sorry, I apologize for how I did the penalty. And guys, it was just amazing for us as Chelsea. Of course, we won the Man City game, and guys, we have won them twice in a row. What they say, the third time is the lucky charm. We'll see what happens, and I'm really excited about all those games that are coming. Of course, let's get back to the main topic here, the preview. I'll be going with my formation of 3-4-2-1. As I said, we're going to be playing Leicester City twice next after this game. So after 3 days, we'll be playing Leicester for the FA Cup final, and then on Tuesday next week, we'll be playing Leicester City again for the Premier League to decide who is going to move up the other in the Premier League. Of course, if we garner these 3 points against Arsenal, we'll be having an upper hand against Leicester, and we'll be having more points. So I'm really excited about this game. I really hope it goes well. For my formation, as I said, 3-4-2-1. We have to be putting our best players, but you know, guys, Kepa is the one who is always playing for the FA Cup games. Apparently, yes. So I'll be expecting to see Mendy in goal. And then for the back three, I'll be having Rudiger. Of course, Rudiger still has the mask, but he played greatly. Last time in my video, I had a bit of technical issues and I didn't mention a few players. Mendy was amazing in the Man City game, and Rudiger too was really great. Reece James attacking, and his defending skills, guys. The way he just embodies the other players is really nice, and I feel like he should really get props, guys. He's really doing great, just as Mason Mount. I'm really glad they're in the game together. Mason Mount, they all came from the academy. Mason Mount, Callum Hudson-Odoi, Reece James, but Reece James and Mount have been doing great, so I'm really proud of them, and I hope they'll be in this game. I don't know that Tuchel is going to go with all those tactics that he always puts as Aspi at the right wing back, but I won't be surprised. So this is my prediction, so let me just say what I'll go with. I'll be having Rudiger, Thiago Silva, and then at the end I'll be having Azpilicueta. Since then, in the previous match, had a hamstring injury which caused, I don't know how severe it was, but I have no updates about it. I will be telling you, of course, review. Look out for it. And for the midfield four, I'll be having Ben Chilwell, because Alonso played last time. He was really great, guys. Alonso put his best foot forward in the previous game, and I feel like he deserves an applause. Yeah, he deserves an applause. Alonso played really well in the previous game against Man City, so I won't be surprised to see Chilwell. I like how Tuchel mixes the players up, and he likes to select different players so that they can give out their talent, show us what they got. And I'm really glad that Alonso was there. Of course, he was a bit slow, but I feel like the pace moved on as the game went forward. Of course, in the second half, we came with so much energy, and of course we garnered the 3 points with the 2-1 win against Man City. I'll be having Chilwell, and then at the pivot I'll be having Kante, and then right next to him I'll be having Jorginho. I don't know what's the update with Kovacic. I'll be telling you in my next video. Look out for it, guys. And then at the right wing back I'll be having Reece James. For reasons best known to us, he's really great at the right wing back. Callum Hudson-Odoi has not been getting a lot of game time, so I won't be surprised to see Callum too. But Tuchel likes to mix things up, so I'll be going with Reece James. And then for the front three, guys, Mason Mount, guys, our captain. Okay, let me just call him junior captain, guys, because he's already there. He's been doing really great, and I feel like he deserves. I think he won Player of the Season. He is the Player of the Season, if I'm not wrong. And Mason Mount is he deserves to be there. So I'll be having Mason Mount. Timo Werner has been doing really well, and oh my god, Pulisic has been doing great too. Kai Havertz, guys, this is just an elite team of the midfielders in the front three. So I really don't know. So I'll just have to go with whoever suits me. So for this game, because again, as I said, we have Leicester for the FA Cup, we have to still put some players to rest so that we'll have better players on Mount, and then right next to him I'll be having Pulisic and his streaks, guys. What? So Pulisic will do it for me at right next to him, and then at the front Timo Werner. Well, Timo has been doing well, but I won't be surprised to see Kai Havertz. But Timo, of course, gave us a goal, and Mason Mount gave us a goal in the previous game, so it's just right for them to start. That's my starting 11, guys. Tell me what you think about it. Who do you think I missed out, and who do you think should be there and I didn't put? And then finally, for my score prediction, I think I'm very confident that we're going to be having a 3-1 win against Arsenal. Yes, I said what I said. You can go bet with it if you want. And I really hope we garner the 3 points. This game is important, as I said, and we have more important games. Chelsea as a club, even Tuchel mentions it. He always says that each game is important. The previous game is important as the next game. So we really have to do our best, and we just have to maintain, the same momentum. We have to maintain the same energy. We have to be strong, and, we just have to do it. We've done it already, so we should just keep the energy going. We should just keep the pace going. The players should just keep staying fit and keep, winning. Yeah, we're headed to winning I know, guys, I'm feeling confident about the UEFA Champions League. I know I'm just talking about it, but hopefully this game against Arsenal will be great. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it, guys, with your family and friends. If they don't know, if they don't know stuff about football and they want to learn a little bit with me, come and learn with me, and hopefully we're going to have an amazing time and enjoy the whole game. Watch out tomorrow for my match review. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and I will be seeing you in my next video.
Since you've been gone, I've been catching the vibe, I've been catching the vibe. Since you've been gone, I've